So this is our site, Happy Holiday. So now today, what we're gonna do? At first, our site is working now, and we go to the sign up page. So we should sign up at first. So let me fast do that. So as you can see, I signed their all data. So now I'm gonna register. And this site, we're gonna link me to the homepage with my profile that it's my username Anna. So let's do the order. So before the order, we have this locations, see view, and other things. So there is the info you can see, services, and about us something. So let's gonna do the order. So at first we had a search filter that we can search by the views, by the date, by the number of guests. So we can search and also clear the filters. So let's do the add this location to our cart. So there is written about the capacity and price, detailed information. There will be what about our view. So let's add to cart. So it says that C2 has been added to cart, and in cart you see we had a notification by red thing. So we go to the cart, and also there is the search for location, so we can search our names, location names by the search, and also there is the filter that search by the views, search by the select by the capacity, and select by the closest available event and further dates. So we can also search and clear the filters. So let's do the order. So today is the 12th of the December. So we can't choose this date. We can choose only after tomorrow. So and there is also has the unavailable data that other users take. So let's take this one, and we can also add the services. And now we're gonna order the payment. So we're gonna write our card information and click the order button. So it says that payment of this sum was successfully completed. So we're gonna close it, and it goes to my orders page. And if you can see, there is the order bolder than the others. It says that we are in order page. So we can also search, filter the things, and view the details of the information. And the thing is we can we can see our order status now. It's only pending, but it's paid. By manager site, by manager account, we can change it. Now I gonna show you this thing. So let's log out and sign in as a manager. So we had also a manager account that calls the Relay Manager. So we log into this, and if you can see, there is the orders, and the order that we do almost, yep, this one, C2. So we can edit this by the canceling or confirm it information. So we confirm it, and it's changed. So now we're gonna again go to the Anna and see about our orders. So it's confirmed, so it's changed and it's working. So that's all.
Today we will provide the usability test as a manager with our guests.
So,
have you visited our website before?
no.
So the first task, you have to sign in. So what you can see, what you can do as a manager.
As a manager, I can see I can edit, and it's some card, some orders that we can edit. As a manager, yes?
Yes.
Status, I can change status. Okay. Very nice. Again, the homepage we can see. We can choose the locations for providing our events. We can see your top 3 services okay. And other services, yes?
Yes.
Okay.
So the main task of manager is doing editing and did you think that you complete successfully the tasks?
Yes, probably yes. It's интуитивно понятно. My English is not very good, but something то есть интуитивно понятно, что, куда, как.
So our website about booking locations to make your event. So you can explore our website.
Okay, let's start. Should register?
Yes.
Let's do it. Yeah,
Yes.
close it. So, okay.
So what you can see.
That's what I searched here.
Yes, and you have to make a booking, and you can add to cart.
Add to cart will
this
add
place.
it. Has been added.
It's
Okay.
not tricky. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
What? So
Already in cart, yeah. Okay.
So what do you think? From where you can find your
I
booking?
think from my profile, probably. Yeah? No?
No.
Ah, here.
I think
it's
you
like,
can.
yes,
Oh,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
like this.
I see. My cart.
There is your like card, the place that you choose, and your
I can
like
also add
capacity.
services, yeah?
Yes, you can also add and select.
Photographers.
What do you think? What you have
Here
to
the
do to?
boxes.
Yes, what you have to do to?
I think I
add.
need one
Yes.
photographer.
So is it clear that and you have to make a payment with adding your card? Like,
Okay.
so is everything clear for you in our website?
Yes, everything is clear, but first I had some problems about finding my card. I thought it will be in my profile here, but
yes.
I didn't.
Did you successfully complete the task? What do you think?
About registering, yes. About orders, everything I did well.
Okay. Was the task more difficult or easier than you expected?
I expected that it will be maybe a little bit harder to choose some locations, also about photographers should I add, but all of them here, like as we can see in my cards, there was like adding photographers, videos. I think this option, this function is very convenient, comfortable to use. Here, all of them in one page, in one website, and it's really useful and convenient. I think if you will provide it, I will use it.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Hello everyone, I have a news for you, and we have a new project. It's called Event Management System. The main purpose of this project it's designed to simplify event planning, event analytics, and so on. I will explain about that you. So today we want to work that. I have a new for you. So our new project called is Event Management System. The main goal of this project is to simplify the process of booking event venues and the services by providing users with a convenient platform that automates all organizational processes. So guys, I believe we can make it happen. Good luck. I'm Raika Zhigulova and I'm a PM, project manager.
My name is Abdibayeva Marjan. I'm the backend developer.
My name is Atakhana Sabahat and I'm UX UI designer.
I'm Margali Rahat. I'm front-end developer.
I'm Narikpayeva Rajan and I'm the second backend developer.
I'm Raikin Zhigulova and I'm project manager. So I'm gonna give tasks for employers, for user UX UI design, front, backend, and so on. So in the first UX UI design, I give a task first prototype creation of our site and user interface testing. And next, after UX UI design, I give a tasks for front-end development, artist booking form, booking confirmation page, and the payment form integration. Backend development, artist database setup, booking system, booking confirmation logic, and the payment API integration and the end, and so on. In progress, you can see user identification system. It's done. So and make a connection between authentication page with the database. It's also done. So I'm gonna check this, and this is task about the done tasks: design of main pages, software architecture, development, authentication page, and so on. And about this table, project management. It's my tasks as a project management, planning, organization, team management, monitoring, documentation, final project handoff, and so on.
My work on the backend focuses on the design and implement the key architectures of the event management system using Django. I was responsible for structuring and optimizing the database and developing APIs to ensure effective and scalable data handling. We choose PostgreSQL for its reliability and scalability. I designed the database theme, including the tables for events, participants, and schedules to handle large values effectively. I couldn't set performance tests to verify the database ability to handle simulations, requests, and collaborate with the second backend developer to ensure consistency in API design and secure message. My work provided a scalable and efficient foundations for the system.
My role in backend development was focused on user-related functionalities, ensuring data security, and preparing the system for deployment. I worked on designing endpoints that managed user actions, like event registration, and implemented robust security measures to protect user data and system integrity. One of my main responsibilities was developing the logic for user registrations. When users sign up for an event, the system processes their input, validates the data, updates the event's capacity, and stores the registration details securely in the database. They required close collaboration with the front-end team to ensure that the user interface communicated effectively with the backend. Security was a critical part of my role. I implemented authentication and authorization mechanisms using token-based authentication. This ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive operations like modifying or deleting events.
We created core models page for static pages, order for user orders, and booking for details and locations. Constraints prevent duplication, and admin-friendly representation ensures reliable data management. We created custom forms for registration and password reset with dynamic field attributes for a better user interface. Routers and view handle registration, login, password reset, and data management with category filters and user authentication, ensuring smooth front-end backend interaction. The backend builds with Django and PostgreSQL, supports event management, user registration, and APIs with token-based automation for security and scalable architecture for large data volumes.
So the front end of our project is developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Bootstrap was used to speed up development and ensure a responsive design. This allowed us to achieve a modern and clean interface that adapts to different devices. Special attention was paid to performance. CSS and JavaScript files were minimized for faster page loading. The interface was also tested for compatibility with major browsers.
We conducted extensive user tests to find design and features that will fit to our clients' needs and be comfortable as much as possible. It's very important to test your product because features that you think will think is beautiful and comfortable in reality will not meet exact needs of your clients. So before releasing your product, test them, and after be flexible because some flaws will slip through the tests.
Okay. So you can say about.
So I'll show in example. We used different fonts in our text. We saw them beautiful in their differences, but after we discovered that after extensive use, they annoying to see. And about cart, it's used to be very different because services only decided in location tab and couldn't modify it in the cart itself. But after testing, we saw that some clients will change their mind in this phase, and it becomes very annoying to go to the services again. Thus, in some cases, costing us a client.
Also, our contacts will stand on the footer because of the user test. It will be very convenient and faster to contact us.
Hello, today I will tell you about our project, Event Management System, created to simplify the organization of events. This is a platform that allows organizers to manage the entire process from choosing a location to managing widgets and services. Let's start with the main page. Here the user sees the registration and login buttons, links to location and services, as well as selection of popular offers. Everything is done so that the user immediately understands how to get started. After logging in, the user gets to their profile. Here they can edit data, create events, and manage past events. Everything is convenient and minimalistic, so as not to distract from the main thing. A map with location is available on the booking page, which the user can choose a place that suits the type of event, budget, and other parameters. Each location has a description, photos, and available dates. The next important part is the services page. Here the organizer can select contracts, photographers, decorators, and musicians, and others. All services are conveniently structured, and they are easy to link to specific events. As for the design, we choose calm blue and white tones so that the platform looks professional and does not overload the attention. The interface is simple and intuitive, suitable for both experienced users and beginners. In addition, our system supports mobile devices. This means that you can work with the platform anywhere, even on the go. Thus, the event management systems help to organize an event easily, quickly, and without stress. Everything you need is collected in one place.
unit tests. So now part about the unit tests, they are automated checks for individual functions or methods. It's doing for helping to identify errors early in development, and the well-written unit tests always help maintain the quality of the software product. They ensure that the code works correctly and performs like as expected, as our expecting. So there's our unit tests. So let's run it to see the result. So now, so it said that our results saved in this file. So I open it. It's now and the results that they pass it and it's okay. So that's all. We always check it like that.
Deployer of team to deploy our event organization platform. I followed a systematic process using GitHub and Render for the deployment. First, I made sure that our project code was organized and up to date in our GitHub repository. This involved checking that all the necessary files for both the backend and frontend were pushed to the repository. I ensured everything was in its correct place, so the project would be easy to manage and deploy.
Hey team, today we want to discuss our project, event management system. This project